Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to check wake. So for example, you can draw rectangle and then convert the rectangle object into 3D by using the pool tools. After it, if you want to see the wake from these objects, you need to set for the material. You can select the object, get solid, and then you can click in here for the material names. As example, we use this material and click OK. Now to check wake, you can use the pool tools again, and you can click this icon, mesh properties, and then you can select the object. So it will be show for the wake like in the mesh option. Okay, you can change again for the material, like I will click in here and then go to library. I will use this material and you can click OK. The wake will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to check wake. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.